Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning. Me and Chris are going. It was supposed to warm up today, but this morning right now it's foggy, it's still cold, no rain today, but we'll get back with y'all and let you see what we get. Well, me and Chris, Sick Chris 07, decided to come over to Palm Beach County today, and we're fishing at the Grassy Waters Preserve Trailway System. We've got a lake behind us, and I'll show you that in a second. But here's Chris. We're getting ready to catch a few. We've been out getting Chris a new vehicle, which is over there next to Chris's vehicle, Ford Explorer, and Chris has got the GMC Jimmy. But here's the lake real quick. Really cool. It's a hidden lake, not too many people know about it, and we're going to try to catch a few out of it today. And we're going to start at the there's a fishing pier up the way, so we'll get back with you and let you see what we get. We're heading down the yellow brick road. This is the trail to the fishing hole. We can't tell you exactly where we're at, but you'll see when we get one. Well, we've got another cautionary sign here. That one top on the top, the other one's Spanish. This one says, can we read that? Do not feed the alligators, because they are in this lake. First cast for Chris.
Something was following it for a second.
Yeah, they'll really pounce on it here. I fished this once before, and I caught 3, and one was probably a good 8, 9, 10 pounder. Came up and threw my shaky head at me. But I haven't been back here in about a year. But I wanted to bring Chris down here and treat him to this lake today. And I'll pan around real quick and let you see the lake from this angle. There's one jumping right there. It's a real nice lake. This is the fishing pier that they built over the lake. Real nice wood structure.
Oh, look at a gator right here. Gator right to the left.
Up or down? Okay.
Right here. See him?
Yes. We got a gator right. Looking at some lilies below me. The water here is panned down a little bit, if you can see it or not, but it's really clear here. Any nibble yet, Chris?
Nope, nothing yet.
Alright, we'll get back with y'all again. Well, I'm going to try the skinny dipper here along this grass and see if I can get one in along the edge here. Well, the gator decided to move on us. I see a couple brim down here, Chris.
Okay.
Right there.
Was he gonna sit right under us?
I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see those. I got some brim under me. Gator's under the dock right now. Chris, I hate to tell you this, but you got a gator right up under you. Don't believe me? Watch the video.
Gator.
I'm going to zoom in a little bit. That's him right there. Right up under Chris.
It'll bring me good luck.
He's waiting for you to catch that big one.
Fight him for it.
Wasn't that cool? Gator's right on the bottom, right below me here. Me and Chris haven't caught one yet. Maybe the gator ate them all. He's just biding his time waiting for okeebassdudes or Sick Chris 07 to get a bass in here so he can pounce on it. But he's just sitting on the bottom. Oh, well, he's moved again. He's up under. Here comes a bubble from him. Well, the gator decided to come up here, up underneath me, up on top of the water here. He wanted his picture taken. Still waiting for a bass to be caught. Yeah, me too. Getting some air. Chris, what'd you decide to go to?
Got me a little panfish jig.
That's cool.
Seems to be a whole lot of panfish here.
Yeah,
so.
we've got, I don't think y'all can see them down there, but there's a lot of bluegill below us. We're trying anything. We just want to get a fish in. I'm still throwing the shaky head.
All right. So, Charles, did you know that
There's something down there.
you have a critter under you?
He's eating all the fish here, I think. Last time I came here, well, there's a bass right out there in front. About a pound one. Maybe I can catch him. There's nothing else is biting. Oh, that's the gator's meal right there.
Look at that. Jump right over there.
Yep. Watch this. Spooked it. It's right there. See him moving out?
Yep.
Not interested in the shake head. Come on. Look at this.
Our gator friend's like, hurry up and catch us some lunch. Remember, Charles, don't dip your feet in the water.
Yeah, he's almost all the way out here. Can see the whole thing now. Hey, Mr. Gator, I think you're going to get your own video. Because we ain't catching no fish right now. Like I said, you must have ate them all.
You know, I bet you a lot of them are hanging up
Where?
underneath that building over there. 'Cause look, it's all
Shady. Yeah. Mr. Gator apparently wants to have his own video. He's kind of bobbing up and down the water right now. Well, we're going to say see you later, alligator. Apparently you've eaten all the fish. Me and Chris are going to go try one more spot before we head on back to Okeechobee. But nice been visiting with you for a little bit. Maybe next time we get here you'll let us have one. Well, we're getting ready to load up the brand new Explorer that we got today with our 2 poles and our tackle box that Chris gave me, and we're going to try one more spot before we head back. But we've had fun here. We got to see a big old gator, got him on film and all. Any final parting words, Chris, before we go to the other spot?
Let's get a fish.
Yep, let's go catch one. Well, we found this little water feature on the way out of the lake. Little canal here. Chris is throwing in. I'm going to try in a second.
That came off the pad.
Just had one. Chris just had one. Over here, water's still moving a little bit.
As soon as that came off the pad, he just hit it.
Wow. That was a good cast. Oh, I don't know if that got on camera or not. Chris just lost one.
Did you see him fling through the air?
Yeah.
But hey, you know what?
Yeah.
A little fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish.
Let's try it over here.
Probably never seen a skinny dipper before.
Yeah.
Just a hit or a solid hit or a bump or following it. I think he's following it.
There we go.
Got that one on camera. Got that one. Hey, we're not skunked.
Faster you give me your lip, faster you get off. Right to the top of the head.
There we go. Good job. All on film too.
Yeah.
Catch and release. First time we fished this area, and Chris finally got one today. Now we definitely got something video worthy. But it's been a good day today. I was able to go out and get Chris a birthday present, 91 Explorer, and we're going to be putting it to good use. Our new okeebassdudes fishing vehicle. There's one over there. See that?
Oh yeah.
No weight on yours though, right?
No.
Chris is throwing no weight. I'm throwing a little weight on mine. No takers here.
They are sitting under them pads though.
You see that?
I followed that right through. Looked like one came up and nicked it.
One more throw. See that? They're in there. Hung up on me. Chris just missed another bass over here. Well, I always say never give up. I kept trying today and I finally got one. Even though it's a small one, I caught a bass on the shaky head here in this canal off of Highway 710 in Palm Beach County. We're going to let it go now. And it's been a good day. Well, we're about to release the only bass that I've caught today. And it's December the 10th, 2010. Come on. Figure out that you're swimming.